Pinellas Trail, the new Pinellas Trail, the north opened a couple years ago. Next to Countryside Boulevard in Clearwater, Florida, or this could be Palm Harbor. This could be Palm Harbor, Florida. Just going to show you that they started the construction for the new pedestrian bridge. They didn't start the construction, but they started taking stuff down is what I meant. For the new pedestrian bridge that's going to go across the canal behind Boot Ranch. Okay, Google, what's the temperature outside?
In Palm Harbor, it's currently 78 degrees.
Low. It's cool, but it's a little bit on the warm side. Could be cooler. So here's a new wrap. Whoa. Whoa, I haven't even been drinking. Here's a new extension part. I mean the pedestrian construction. Pedestrian overpass construction bridge that they're starting to build. Let's go take a peek. And you see across the water that it's supposed to go right alongside that wall over there. Looks like they got some workers over there. 2 workers. They just cleared all this brush out last week. They cleared all that brush out last week. There's 2 workers over there that would probably throw a fit if I go right underneath that on the gravel trail over there. Alright. Just wanted to show you the Phonamana exclusive. Dave Smith with Phonamana. Yeah, this makes more sense now that they got the brush cut out, because I was like, how are they going to run the bridge to the crosswalk there? Now it makes more sense. I'm going to go over here. Let's go look back behind the Five Guys burger. Go ahead. Let's see if they're still there. I don't see them there. I don't think it's right that they're roping this off from everybody. There's 2 workers. I just played dumb. They're doing their job. Oh my gosh. Look at that, they ripped all the stuff out. So there was trees here and bushes and all kinds of stuff on the right. They cut all that out. Wow, they cleared this out in no time, man. Cleared everything out. These trees are Wow, look at this. You get across now. Just gotta look over here. So they cleared all this out since last week. This is a connection to the other Pinellas Trail that comes out. That ends where the apartment complex was. The entrance, I meant. It ends where the entrance to the apartment complex was. Let's see what they did out here. Wow, they're doing work here too. They have paved it already. I mean, carved it out. Carved it out. Paved it. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. They dug the sidewalk out. Or I should say they busted the sidewalk up. I mean, if you want to take the detour, it's across, you go across on the other side, coming out from in front of the boot ranch over there on the right. That car behind me. Let's the goal. Let's the goal. Wait. That's that for the construction so far. This is the new Pinellas Trail, but it's been open for like a year and a half now. So up until that turn there, before the apartment complex. The apartment complex didn't want them to put the trail through there, so I guess they came to an agreement. Some kind of agreement, right? Just pay us $1 million, we let you go through, eh? So the official detour had been on the right over there on that sidewalk over there on the right. You cross the road here and then cross the crosswalk on the other side to get to this part. I assume that's what it's going to be for a while until they put the asphalt down and all that stuff. Put the pedestrian bridge up. But see, there's no crosswalk on this side. You have to go cross first and then cross. And it's a narrow path over there on that sidewalk on the other side. Getting to boot ranch. Yeah. Sidewalk closed. That's baloney.